This is Rose, gentle, white, and full of dreams. And this is Jack, red, strong, and proud. At first, they were perfect together, but slowly, pressure began to build.
One day, Jack's anger went too far diminished, and Rose was thrown out.
Rose walked away, not defeated, but determined. At her grandma's home, Rose found love and lessons in hard work.
Day after day, sweat, struggle, and strength shaped her new path.
Meanwhile, Jack met Olivia, Dunkla, dark, charming, mysterious.
She won his trust, but her intentions weren't pure.